Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pie on Girl Garden. Gather your ingredients and tools now and wash any garden produce thoroughly. Roll dough gently on a floured surface to avoid tearing. Choose a shallow pie dish for even baking and patch any cracks carefully. Fill with fruit or vegetable mixture, brush an egg wash, and bake until golden and fragrant for the best results. In this video, I will explain how to make pie on Girl Garden. Start by tasting your produce and adjusting sugar or lemon to balance flavors. Simmer filling briefly to concentrate juices and inspect thickness before filling the crust. Cool the filling slightly to avoid a runny pie during baking. Layer flavors like herbs or spices for complexity. Seal the crust edges firmly and vent the top to let steam escape while baking. In this video, I will help you make pie on Girl Garden. Place the pie on a middle oven rack for even heat distribution and check browning after the first 20 minutes. If edges brown too fast, shield them with foil. Allow the pie to rest at least 1 hour to set the filling for clean slices. Serve slightly warm with cream or a dollop of yogurt for contrast and freshness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.